Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change icon size on your phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Android is all about customization, but many devices still have fixed icon sizes. If they can be resized, the option is usually hard to find. Perhaps you want them bigger so you can see them better, or maybe you would prefer to make them smaller to fit more on the screen. In this video, I will show you how to customize your icon size on your phone. So first of all, you can open your settings on your phone. Now you can open your display settings or maybe wallpaper settings on your phone. On my phone, the setting is on my wallpaper settings, so I will open my wallpaper. And you can see there is an option icons. You can tap on that. Here you can change the sizes of icon on your phone. If you want the icon smaller, you can slide to the left. If you want to make your icons bigger, you can slide to right like this. I will try to make it bigger. You can also change the background color for compatible icons. By default, it's set to like this. While using by default. Now as you can see, the icons on my phone now is bigger, so I can see the icons better. And I will change to more smaller like this, and let's see, the icons turns to smaller. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change size icon on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!